Good morning, friends, and happy Diwali to all of you. May Almighty fulfill all your wishes. I am here in the morning for my easy run. Uh, I'll take it easy only, not to indulge in some speed works or so. Today is such an auspicious day, and as usual, I want to celebrate it with my running. I found it right, I found it proper to go for a run, and so I'm here. Uh, Friends, on the coming Sunday, I have registered for one more half marathon, that is Surya Veer, which is being conducted by uh, Indian Army and Red FM. In collaboration, they are doing this, and it will be held at Delhi Kent. Uh, First, I thought not to indulge in this half marathon because just a week back I had my Vedanta, but then I thought again and I found it proper to go for it, though it's risky since within a span of fortnight I'm going for second half marathon. That's not an easy job, and that may result in some bad consequences like injury or so. But such opportunity doesn't come again and again. Since it is a tribute to the soldiers, I want to participate in it. I want to involve in it. I hope it's a lifelong opportunity for me to give a tribute to our soldiers. Without them, we will not be safe here. We here enjoy our life. Why? Because our soldiers are on the front. So I thought it right. Friends, fourth kilometer going on, and I'm at ease, enjoying the environment, the greenery. It looks very nice, feel very composed. As far as my long run is concerned, in the previous Thursday, I have already done 21 kilometers, so no need for long run this week. And since on the coming Sunday I have to go again for half marathon, I have to be calm with decreased mileage and no hard sessions. That will be better because already one hard session I have done, so enjoy it, feel it, and pray to God that everything goes nicely. I'm happy that Indian Army is organizing this half marathon. I feel it will be a good thing, and I feel so that I will be enjoying that one. Friends, ninth kilometer going on. It's nice. Good morning. Everything is fine. But as far as AQI is concerned, it's annual issue. No solution, nothing, nobody serious about it. I think, but it's not an issue which can be solved by a magic boom. You need authorities, I mean to say, and need to take some concrete and hard decisions and some long-term planning. Then there can be some solution. And first and foremost, authorities have to be serious about it. But it's not so. When this problem crept now after Diwali, then authorities start talking about it. Otherwise, nobody has nothing to care. And there are not one or two factors for this pollution. There are many factors Air being polluted means your traffic is more on road, your factories and industries are not taking care of their wastage, and greenery is being reduced. That is, that green stretch should be there, and that's not so. So it's not a matter of a month or two. You need government need to take it seriously. Friends, completed 11 kilometers. It was nice race, easy one, and I enjoyed it a lot. Now I will be doing my cool down session. Friends, today is an auspicious day, a very lucky day, and I think we must respect humanity. We must accept the drawbacks which our society have, and we should try to improve them if possible, because individually nobody can do anything, but collectively anything can be done. So I don't need to say much. It's my feelings, that's why I share these with you. Now I have been enjoying my days, my golden days I'm enjoying, in fact, and hope you all are well, you remain healthy, you take your care of your elderly, look after your family, take care of your kids. Okay, have a good day, enjoy your life.